Good morning children. Once again I am before you with the video number 22, chapter number 12. Chapter number 12. In this video we will talk about what? Distance time graph. In distance time graph, the purpose of the graph is to show numerical facts in visual form so that they can be understood quickly, easily and clearly. Number one is the bar graph. A bar graph is a pictorial representation of numerical data in the form of bars, rectangles of uniform widths with equal spacing. The length of each bar represents the given number. Another one is a pie graph or pie chart, we can say. A pie chart is a kind of graph or diagram which shows the percentage composition of something in the form of slices of circle. A pie graph is used to compare parts of a whole. Another one is a line graph. A line graph displays data that changes continuously over time. The distance time graph is a line graph. This is a relationship between two quantities plotted on the x and y axis. You can see here, this is the y axis, this is the point of origin, this is the x axis. So here we have made the line graph, the rough line graph. What to do for making of a graph? Choosing a scale for the graph. Number 1 point, determine the lower and upper limits of the data. Second, divide the range with the required number of divisions. Third, round off the division range if you do not get whole numbers. Next, choose divisions that are convenient to mark and cover the maximum part of the graph. Now the question arises, how can we plot a distance time graph? Let us plot a distance time graph given in the table on a graph paper. First, what we can do, we have to take a sheet of graph paper. Next, number 2, make two perpendicular lines to show the x-axis and y-axis, just like this one. And the x-axis represents time and y-axis represents distance. The table given below shows the time taken and distance covered by a cyclist in seconds and meters respectively. Choose a suitable scale to represent the two quantities on the two axes. Time in second here and distance in meter. Time 0, distance 0. Time 5, distance 4. Time 10 second, then distance 8 meter. Time 15 and distance 12. And time 20 and the distance in meter 16. Time second 25 and the distance 20. Here you can see here the distance and the time graph, distance time graph. You can see here it is plotted 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, and in case of y-axis 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. You can see here this is a straight line, it is there, marked there. Here on the x-axis let 1 centimeter represent 5 seconds and on the y-axis let 1 centimeter represent 4 meter. Now plot the points that correspond to the set values of time and distance given in the table. Join all the points to obtain a graph in this way. In this way you can make a graph, distance time graph. The student, you can go through all the contents in the video number 22. Stay home and stay safe, and some of the questions based upon the video number 22. Assignment questions, video number 22. What do you understand by a bar graph? Question number 2. When do we use a pie chart? Question number 3. How can you plot a distance time graph? And question number 4. What is a line graph? Now you can do these questions. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you everyone.